So the last time we were here, Balisa so nicely reminded us. I told you guys to try these questions. Okay. Let's see where we got. So I'm gonna write now the answers, and you guys are gonna then give me a mark out of the total number of questions that were done in this exercise. I can't remember where we stopped correcting. I believe we also finished at 6. So I'm gonna start from 7, doing corrections, and you just check on the book there. Check me as well. As I said, today is not quite my day, so please correct me if I write something incorrect. Okay. Number 7 was 10 divided by 7. 7 times 8 plus 12. So this is 56 plus 12, which is 68. Remember, you're checking yourself. If you didn't do it, you are doing it quickly now before I catch up to you and I do it. Okay? This one is 64 minus 2 to the power of 6, which is also 64. And this is 0. Okay. Number 9 was 81 divided by 9, which is 9. Number 10 is 7 plus 2 squared, which is 4, plus 36. So that will give us 47. So far, are we good? Yes, we are. I see the answers in the chat. I love it. People, you guys did my work. I'm so proud of you. Palisa was complaining that Palisa is posting the answers. You're a double agent, Palisa. I see people like, you know, those people like, I didn't study. Then the marks come back and you're like, didn't you say you didn't study? You're those types, Palisa. I see you. I see you are deceiving us. I see you. That's all I'm saying. See, I know your type. Okay, let's see. Number 11 says 44 divided by 2 squared, which is 4. So the answer is 11. Number 12. Where's number 12? Oh, the chat is obscuring my number 12. This is 56 divided by 4, which is indeed 40. Okay. I hope we're checking. I'll scroll up just now and show you the rest of the answers, but I need the space at the bottom to write. Okay, number 13 would be the square root of 36, and that is indeed 6. Number 14 would be the cube root of 27, which is 3, plus 100. Be careful, plus 100, not 10. So it would be 3 plus 100, which is 103. Number 15, at the top would be 10, so that's 1 plus 144, which would be 145. Number 16, square root of 16, which is 4, plus the square root of 169, which is 13, and that would give us 17. And 17 is 12 plus 10 all over 11, and that is 2. Thank you, Lunga. I'm glad you see your mistake. Keep posting those answers. I see them. This is 2. Give me 1. Sorry about that. Number 18 follows says 6. There'll be 2 cubed, which is 8 plus 9 minus 11, which is indeed 6. 19 is 15 plus 10 times 2, which is 25 times 2, and that will give me 50. And the last one is, if I can find space there, this is the square root of 3 cubed plus 3 squared. So it's 27 plus 9, which is the square root of 36, which is 6. Ooh, thank you for doing my work, guys. Give me a mark out of how many you attempted. So if you attempted 5, yeah, tell me how many you got right. 4 out of 5, 3 out of 5. If you attempted all 20, give me a mark out of 20. Let's see how this went. Yes, Chelsea. Hello. We can't hear you, Chelsea. I can see you talking, but I can't hear you. Check your mic settings. Lunga says out of 20, I got 18. Beautiful. Beautiful. Zukanye, have you seen your mistakes? Chelsea got 19. Bonte got 18. I'm guessing you guys who didn't do all 20 of them weren't here last lesson, and that's okay. But everyone, do we see our mistake? Palisa, are you good? Only fumbled on 2, but I saw my mistake. That's beautiful. That you can't get 29. 19 out of 20, 16. Okay. As long as we have seen our mistakes. Oh, you got 20. Beautiful. As long as we have seen our mistakes, guys, we should be safe. Okay. So today we're continuing in this trend of BODMAS using exponents. It's 18.0. Okay, BODMAS using exponents. And we're going to play a little game, and I'm hoping it works out a little better than in my previous class, guys. I told you I was having a very wonderful day, but I'm hoping this goes better. So here's what's going to happen, guys. You are going to work these out. Okay, they're the same thing. They're the same thing we've been doing, all about exponents and surds. So if you work something out, for instance, if you have 4 plus 3 and you get 7, you have to go look in my table. Where do I have a number, a letter that corresponds with 7? And that would be G. So then in the block below this, you'll write G. And you will do this until you've filled out whatever this word is. If you think you know what the word is, then you can tell me. Remember, you don't have to do them in order. Okay, you don't have to do them in order. You can do them in whatever order you want. If you want to start with the last one, that's fine. Don't post your answers in the chat, guys. You're just helping other people solve this before you. So take some time now. I'm giving you some time to go through this. And after this, we will solve each and every one of these sums. So if you have the answer, make sure you know how to get to it. Watching you guys. No calculators. Please, no calculators. Okay. If you have any questions, you may raise your hand and ask. In the meantime, everyone starts cracking the code. I am drinking water, my dear. I drink a lot of water during the day. Nicole, can you raise your hand and tell me what's up? Raise your hand so I can unmute you. And you tell me where I have lost you. Raise your hand, guys. Don't congregate in the chat and say I'm lost. Yes, Nicole. Nicole, you can unmute. Okay, Nicole is struggling. Okay, Tafara. There we go. Hello. Nope. Alright, let's solve any of these until you think you know what the word should be. Okay, that's what happened, Nicole. See, you must tell me where you lost. So what you're doing, Nicole, is you are solving all of these sums. They are all independent. It's not one long sum. They are all independent. So you're going to solve.
Hello,
For
Mas.
instance, yes, Nicole, are you listening?
Yes, Mas, I'm listening. It was like load shedding, so the power went. So I didn't hear what you said. I went offline.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you're going to solve these independently. Okay, so let's say you solve this block over here, first one. The
Yes.
answer you get corresponds with a letter. So if you get 11 as an answer, that means you must write K in the block at the bottom.
Okay.
So you're doing that until you know what this word, this that I have on the screen now is a word. So you're going to do that until you think you know what the word is. Okay.
Okay, I understand.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Mas.
You're welcome. Chelsea is giving you guys answers and I don't understand. Chelsea wants everyone to. Mivuyo, did you listen to my explanation that I just gave right now? Mivuyo? Narisha, do you have a question?
No, ma'am, I have the answer.
Yo, Narisha, let's give them a few minutes to see if they can figure it out. Direct message me on the chat and let's see if you have the answer. Ne?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Let's see if Narisha has the word. Mivuyo, you have to be specific. Where did I lose you? Do you not understand how to work them out? Oratile, do you now get it? Okay, I think Oratile is now sort of understanding what's going on. You can't see well. Ooh, I can't help you with that one, Mivuyo. Try zooming in. Anyone else who thinks they have an answer, send it to me in the chat. And let's see if you indeed do. I can confirm that Narisha does have the answer. But the rest of you keep working until you know what this word is meant to be. That's not possible. No, guys, you're not sending the answer. You send the whole word. When I say answer, I mean the whole word. Chelsea, raise your hand so we can talk about it. I'm just waiting for a few more people to get the answer and then we shall discuss. Chelsea? Hello, Chelsea. Chelsea, we cannot hear you, my dear. Send a message in the chat to tell me where did I lose you. Do not send answers. We're not following instructions. Okay, I'm giving you guys 2 more minutes to try and figure out the whole word. The whole word, Chelsea. I don't want individual letters. I need you to give me the whole word. Remember I said these letters spell something? That's what I want, not individual answers. So work on as many sums as you can until you think you know what this is supposed to spell. Okay, you have about a minute. Yay, Tata has the word. Tata has just direct messaged me the whole word, and yes. Yes, Tata, that would be correct. iPhone, before you say the word, do you have a question?
Oh, no, ma'am. No.
Wait, what's your name? While I still have you here, let me rename.
It's
What's your name?
Oguhle, ma'am. It's
Oguhle.
Oguhle.
There we go. So you have the word. Let us know what this word is supposed to be.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's hear.
The word is calculate.
So you guys are cheating me. You didn't work out the whole thing. It's not calculate. Follow has the word.
Okay, let me try it again.
Okay. Tammy has the word. Havana, you still have time. Havana is like goodbye and I'm done. My lady is straight up guessing. Simplify. It is definitely not simplify. I guarantee you. Oratile. Hi, Oratile.
Hi, ma'am.
Do you have the word?
Yeah, I think I have the word.
Let's hear what the word is.
The word is calculator.
It's definitely not calculator.
It's not?
It's definitely not. Havana is correct. Check your first letter again.
Okay.
Havana is like Danko. Tammy?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, do you have my word?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Calculator.
Thank you very much, Tammy. You want to work out the first one with me while you're still here?
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful. Okay, guys, raise your hand and choose whichever one you want to work out with me so we can fill this in. Okay, Tammy, take it over. What am I writing?
Okay, ma'am. So we can start by simplifying the exponents. So you're going to say 5 squared is equals to 25 minus 7 squared, which is 49, plus 3 cubed, which is 27. So it's plus 27. And then you are going to say, oh, I'm using bedmas. So you're going to say negative 49 plus 27, which is going to give you negative 22. Then you're going to say positive 25 minus 22, which is going to give you positive 3.
And 3 goes with the letter
C.
Thank you very much, Tammy. Minus 22, which is 3. Beautifully done. Okay, so we have our first letter. It's calculator, guys. Whoever said calculate, you were close, but you should have worked out my whole word. You almost had it. Havana is up there hyping everyone. I love it. Guys, can I have more hands to solve some of these with me? Come on, hi guys. There's not even a person who's gonna solve 5 times 3. I'm worried. There we go. Pabedi?
Hi, babe.
Hello. Which one are you solving with me?
The second one.
Second one. Okay.
Yes. So I said we simplify 12 to the power 2 equals to 144. You said bracket 144 minus 15 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power of 2 bracket 0 squared bracket
0 squared. Tell me, do you have to go through all of this? What is anything to the power of 0?
0.
Help us in the chat, guys. Anything to the power of 0? What is our answer? Hey, Tammy. I mean, Papedi. What did I say, Tammy? I don't know. Do you see the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
So anything to the power of 0 is?
It's 1.
1. So it doesn't matter what's going on inside this bracket. Can you see that?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of this is just to confuse you because I just went and I put the whole bracket to the power of 0. So you can literally say after this equals 1. And 1 goes with which letter, Papedi?
A.
A. Thank you very much. Okay, Abisha. Oh, geez, I'm using Simone. Sorry, Simone. Mistake.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
I'm going to be doing the fourth one, ma'am.
The fourth one. Let's hear.
Okay, so to get to 27, I said 3 to the power 3, which got me to 27.
So the cube root would be 3. And that corresponds with which letter?
C.
Which letter?
Letter C, ma'am.
There we go. Thank you very much, Abisha. So we have a C over there. And Tammy is finally up because I keep calling everyone Tammy and I don't understand. Tammy?
Ma'am, can I do the third one with you?
Yeah, bo, let's go.
Okay,
Let me
ma'am.
scroll down so I have space. There we go.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, we're gonna start with the exponents. So 10 squared is equals to 100 times 2 squared, which is 4, divided by 2, and then minus, and then 2 cubed is 8 times 7. And then you're gonna say, oh ma'am, this is the next step. And then you're gonna say 100 times 4, which is going to give you 400 divided by 2 minus in brackets 56. And then you're going to say 400 divided
So
by
also
2,
under the square.
the square, yes, ma'am. In the next step, you're going to say 400 divided by 2, which is going to give you 200 minus 56, because negative times positive gives you negative. And then you're going to say 200 minus 56 is going to give you the square root of 144, which is equals to 12.
Which
And
corresponds with which letter?
the letter L.
Thank you very much, Tammy. That was beautifully done. The letter L. So we have our 4 letters, guys. Do you see that this is not bad? I think this is going pretty well. Papedi's hand went up again. Are you going to help me solve another one?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Which one?
Ma'am, the square root one, the 3 square root. Yes, next to the one. Where's your mouse?
Okay, the one where I'm standing. Okay, yes, let's hear.
So, ma'am, so my answer, my step is that I said 3 times 3 equals to 9. The square root of 9 is 3. And I said square root of 3. And under that, I said 343 times 3, which gave me 1029. So
Be
I said,
careful.
yes, ma'am, I said square
What
root
does
of
cube
3.
root mean? Those are cube roots. Do you see it has a little 3 there?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So what do you multiply by itself 3 times to get the cube root of 343? You know,
Yes, ma'am.
what is it?
Yeah, isn't it? Ma'am, isn't it
Anyone in the
9, ma'am?
chat? Nope, it's not 9. If you say 9 times 9 times 9, you're not going to get 343. Check in the chat, they're helping you.
It's 7.
7. Try it out.
No,
7 times 7 times 7.
no, ma'am, it's 27.
It's just 7. And then when you times it by 3, what's 7 times 3?
27.
Mm-mm.
21.
7 times 3, 21. Beautiful. And tell me which letter corresponds with 21? Okay.
Which letter? I can't really see. Oh, the 21. It's you.
It's you. You see. Oh, guys, we're finishing our word. I love it. Where did we get 7? We had the cube root, Avril, of 343. Do you see that? So what does a cube root mean? Cube root means what do I multiply by itself 3 times to get the number? Remember, square root, like if I say square root of 4, there's an invisible 2 there. So what do I multiply by itself twice to get 4? And that would be 2 times 2. But if I have, let's say 8 with a 3 outside, that means what do I multiply with itself 3 times to get 8? And that would be 2 times 2 times 2. So in this case, we had a cube root of 343, and that's where our 7 comes from. I hope I have answered your question. Okay, I see hands, and I'm not sure if there are questions or solutions. Vanessa?
Ma'am, I would like to answer the next one with you.
Okay, let's do it.
So, ma'am, 2 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4 minus 1. And then we're going to say 4 times 3, which is 12. So 12 is
Thank you. And what letter is that?
L.
L. Thank you very much, Vanessa. Takawira, are you solving or do you have a question? You're welcome, Avril.
Ma'am, I'm gonna solve
Okay,
for
which
R.
one?
For R, ma'am. So
R,
it's
the last one.
yes, the last one, ma'am. It's 3 to the power of 2, which is 9, times 3 cubed. Cubed. I think.
Cube root.
Yes, it's gonna be 4, and then it's gonna be divided by 2, and then it's gonna be 9 times 2 is equals 18, which is R.
Oh, 9 times 2, which is 18, which is R. Thank you very much.
Cool.
Oh, I love the participation. And that is R. Okay, let's see who's next. Mamelo,
Ma'am,
do you have a
can I please
question?
do the next sum?
The next one, this one with the 3 squared.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me find a nice space for me. Guys, I was organized last week. Look now, I'm writing everywhere again. It's fine, let's do this. Okay, let's hear what you have.
Ma'am, we're going to simplify the square. So we're gonna say 3 to the power of 2 is 9 divided by 16 minus 7, which will give us 1.
Yes, so it's 9 divided by 9, and that is indeed 1. And what letter corresponds with 1?
A.
A. Thank you, Mamelo. Oh, almost done with our word, guys. Follow. Follow is
Hello,
next.
ma'am.
Hello.
Can I please do the next one?
No problem. If I can find space. Okay, I will find space somehow. Go ahead.
Okay, so 5 cubed is going to give us 125. And then 10 squared is going to give us 100. And then 5 times 3 is going to give us 15. So the next line is going to say 125 minus 100 is going to give us 25 plus 15, which is going to be, the next line is also going to be 5 plus 15, which is going to give us 20, and our letter is T.
Thank you very much. That would be correct. So then the square root of 25 is 5. And if you add 15, you get 20, which corresponds with the letter T. We have one, guys, you guys really went, we're not gonna solve the easy one. Everyone avoided it like the plague. Did you notice? Everyone was like, no, Havana, I was, because I didn't know there was a square root today. So I was like, what did I set? Yo. Like my mind was like, oh my gosh. Guys, remember, if you want to answer a question, please raise your hand. Please. Ogusha wants to do the last one, which is the easy one.
Well, I
Oh,
wanted
I
to do
asked
this
someone
one,
to meet again. Which one do you want to do?
the 5 times 3.
Let's hear. 5 times 3 is
15
15, and that letter
is O.
Thank you very much. You guys are superstars. How are you feeling? I know you guys all avoided it, hey? Nobody wanted to do the 15 one. Like you had a choice, but you were all like, We're all gonna do the harder ones. So guys, are we good with bedmas and exponents? Give me in the chat a thumbs up or thumbs down. I see hearts, thank you. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Are we good with the exponents and bedmas? Yes, I see you in the reactions. I see you guys. Beautiful. So it spells calculator. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Okay, I don't see thumbs downs. Inga now understands, so that is beautiful. Means we're doing the right thing. Hagen, why are you laughing? Did you think it was gonna spell like holiday? No, we're here to work. And I like how in the beginning I was like, no calculator. And I was like, oh, I gave them the answer. But then, yeah. Okay, let's have a short brain break before we, okay, let me not say short because it nearly killed me in the other class. My brain almost exploded. But let's have a mini brain break before we come back to this. Okay, I'll choose what we're doing after. Brain break, and since we're cracking codes, guys, we're gonna crack this code. Let us see. Or you can search on Google, or I'll scroll down just now for you guys. We're still gonna solve more, don't worry. We're still gonna solve more. For now, we're just having a brain break. Whoever cracks this code first, let us know. This is our brain break for today. It's a 3-number code. It cannot be 94679. I promise you. It's just 3 codes. So we follow these rules until we think it's definitely not 1, 2, 3. I promise. You need to work. You can't guess. 192, 436. Ooh. 394, 245. 2 people have said 394. What's going on? What's going on, guys? 129, 243, 435, 4578. Guys, give me the first step. What would you guys do in the first step? Let's try and get the same code over here. 946, 682, 463. Every message that comes in is a different code. I'm so curious to hear how we all started. Give us a clue. Your clue is maybe start over here. That's where I started. Didn't work out very well for me. Saloon worked it out. There. Actually, you can start with now that I'm looking at it, I'm just like, you can start wherever. Come on, guys. If it says no digit is correct, that means you can't have a 5 or a 7 or an 8. And I see some of your answers have 7s and 5s. So you cannot have a 5 or 7 or 8 because we know no digit is correct, meaning none of these can be used in the code. No 5, no 7,
I also
no
start
8.
with F6. It just makes the most sense to eliminate what we know is wrong.
Yeah. So 5, 7, 8, did I black out all of them? Yes. Okay. So we know 5 and 7 and 8 are not in the code. Guys, so if your code contains a 5 or 7 or 8, you need to relook it. There is no 0 there, guys. So you can't put zeros. You guys are cheating me. You also can't repeat. Okay, let's read this. One digit is right, and it is in its right place. Second one says one digit is right, but is in the wrong place. So it cannot be 2, guys, because it can't be there and in the right place, and then suddenly it's in the wrong place. Do you see that? Do we get what I mean, guys? 2 can't be in the right place in number 1, and then in the second part, they're like, well, sorry, 2 is in the wrong place now. So 2 is not an option either. 2 is not an option either. I feel like I'm making this better for you guys. That was my second clue. Mibuyo, does Mibuyo have an answer for me? Hi, Mibuyo. 2 is not in the code. Simply see, I'm tender. Mibuyo, please unmute. Mibuyo is not unmuting. Guys, if you have a 2 in your code, it's wrong. Hi, Mibuyo.
Hey, ma'am.
Do you have an answer for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's hear what you have to say.
042.
There is no zeros though. There was never a 0. Guys, you have to use numbers that are there. We eliminated 2 and there were no zeros. So, Let's check out the second line, guys. Let's check out the second one. It says one digit is right, but is in the wrong place. If we have eliminated the 2 digits, then the only one that can be correct is number 4, isn't it? So we know 4 is in the middle. Someone please check me here because the last time my brain was going in circles. I hope someone is here and checking me. Yes.
Yes.
So the 4 has to be in the middle. No, it can't. The 4 is legit, but it is in the wrong place. So we know 4 is a number that is correct, but it's in the wrong place. And in the next one, it says 2 digits are right, but both are in the wrong place. So if 4 can't be on 1, because it's in the wrong place, and it can't be there, then 4 has to be your last digit. Are we with me? Ooh, I see some people have answers that are very close to each other. So I'm curious to see where this is going to end. So 4 has to be the last digit. Cannot be second and it cannot be first, so it has to be last. This is like Sudoku all over again. Okay, so let's eliminate Mr. 4 here. We've dealt with Mr. 4. Bye. Okay. Now, where did we go from there? I can't remember now.
So we go back to the first one. The first one says one digit is right and in its place. So we already know 4 is in the last place, which means 1 can't be in the right place.
So 1 is eliminated. So
Yes.
then we only have 9. So Mr. 9 is gone. So now we're left with the first place. The said 2 digits are right, but are in the wrong place. One digit is right, but is in the wrong place. So 5. Oh, we already used the digit that was right at the bottom, didn't we? Yes, we already used the 9. So the whole code at the bottom is eliminated because we already used the digit that was right. So we're left with 6 and 3. 3 has to be the correct answer because if you move 6, it's going to have to move to the end. Was that the reason? I don't remember, but yes, our code is 394. If you got 394, okay, Oratile, you. Okay, Oratile. Oratile's like, I will kill you guys. This is my answer. I'm sorry. I am sorry, guys. Yo, Oratile is like, but now, Palis, guys, I don't promote violence, please. Yeah, no, let's do some work, ne? So we forget about this. We're not even going to do the second practical. Yay! We're going to finish off our worksheet. So, more integers. If you thought we were done, think again. Oratile is like, sorry guys, I'm very competent. I promise you guys I'm competent. Promise you guys. Doesn't mean to be stress-free, not. I said it's a brain break. So I didn't guarantee that I was going to give you a break or I was going to break your brain. You see? Guys, after that, this that's on the board is very easy. Come on. Let's work on this now. Still have plenty of time. We might go back to crack the code. I have another one, but it's a less friendlier one. Sorry, Valentia, I ask for forgiveness for breaking your brains. Is that fine? I feel like you guys are gonna find me and hunt me tonight in my sleep. Okay, who's doing these ones with me? Can I please have hands? Even if you're not sure, we can do them together. Nope, there we go. Okay, Takawira, which one are you doing with me?
The first one, ma'am, 21.
First
So
one.
it's gonna be 4 plus 6 is 10, and then it's gonna be 10 to the power of 2, which is 100, and then 100 plus, then it's gonna be 100 plus, and then 100 minus 9 over 9 is gonna be
Minus 19.
oh, minus 19 is gonna be 9, and then 100 plus 9 is 109.
100
I
plus
think.
9, which is 109. You are correct. Thank you very much.
Perfect.
Thank you very much. No, you're not, Tato. No, you're not. Instead of cracking the code, my brain cracked. You. These people are not going to come to lessons next week. I did find my glasses, guys. Are you proud of me? Whew. I haven't worn them so long now. I have a headache.
Ma'am, are we allowed to skip?
Are you allowed to? Skip, yes.
Skip a
Tell me which one you're doing.
29.
29. Let's see what 29 has in store for us.
So, ma'am, we're going to say 5 plus 3 is 8. So it's going to be 80 divided by 8 minus 2 times 5 is 10. So it's going to be 90 divided by 10. So it's going to be 10 minus 9 equals 1.
Thank you very much, Vanessa. Beautifully done. Beautiful. Guys, you can't call also because I said no calculator. No calculator, your brains can do this. Hello. Is it Misho?
Yes, ma'am.
Misho.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beautiful. Which one are you doing?
Number 23.
23. Okay, let's see what 23 has in store for us.
Okay, so 100 minus 36 over 4. 100 minus 36 will be 64 over 4 and the square root. Plus 11 squared, And then 64 over 4 square rooted is 16 square root. Yeah. Plus 11 squared equals to 4 plus 121, which is 125.
Thank you very much. That was beautifully done. Thank you. You guys are superstars. Mamelo?
Can I please do number 22?
22. Okay, let me move these names so I can see number 22. Okay, let's do this a little bit. Where are we going to do it? I think we can fit it here. Number 22. Let's see what Mamelo has for us.
So I'm gonna say 72 divided by 2 is gonna give us 36 plus 4 to the power of 2, which will give us 1,600.
Okay, wait. You just skipped a lot. Did you remember to square root the 36?
36.
You see there's a square root there?
Memory.
By the question
Oh, yes,
here.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So did you remember to square root it?
No,
Yes,
ma'am,
it's
I didn't.
6. Yes, I suspected. So in the brackets, we have 6 plus 4 squared, which is 10 squared. And how much is 10 squared?
100.
100. Thank you very much, Mamela.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hello. They are very fast. Yes, you can put your answers in the chat, Alisa. Oh, hello.
Hi, ma'am.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to do number 24.
24. Okay, let's hear.
So, ma'am, we're going to simplify, which is the square root of 25 is going to be 5 plus the plus 49 minus 12.
Calculator, I can hear you. I will cry. In your brain,
No, I
mental
don't.
math. I heard that.
The answer is going to be 42, ma'am.
42.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 42. We skipped a step. Let's write the previous step so that nobody gets confused. What's 5 plus 49? That will be 54 minus 12. That is 42. Thank you very much. Okay, let me see what's happening in the chat. I hear calculators, guys. I can sense they give me a hard time. Sia?
Okay, ma'am, I'd like to do 25.
25. Okay, let's hear.
So first we have to work out the square root of 169, which is 13.
That is true. So it's 8 squared minus, sorry. So at the end, you're going to have just minus 13. Then what?
Then we have to figure out 8 to the power of 2, which is 64.
64.
And 6 to the power of 2, which is 36.
36.
So then we
then minus
7
13.
plus
So how much is
64 minus 36 minus 13, which will give you 22.
22. Thank you very much, Sia. Oh, I see names I haven't spoken to today. Khalaletsang.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, I said 17 plus 18 over 7 plus 63. Then I said 17 plus 18 equals to 35 over 7 plus 63. Then I say 35 over 7 equals to 5 plus 63 equals to 68.
Thank you very much. Oh, how many are left? Okay, 28. We've done 28, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, nobody has done 26 yet. I wonder why. Let's check who's next. Nsako?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Another question, but then someone already answered it, so I'm good now.
Okay. Okay, guys, if you don't want to answer anymore, please lower your hands quickly. Okay.
Oh, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, can I please do number 27?
27. Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. On the 27, I said 2 times 2. Then it became 4. I said 3 times 3. It was 9. I said 4 times 4. It was 16. I said 5 times 5. It was 25. Then I add all the sums. It was 54, and I said 54 divided by 9. It was 6.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Takawira wants to do 26. Takawira, let's see if anyone else wants to ask that I haven't spoken to today. Alisa Mudipa. If I spoke to Alisa Mudipa today, I know I spoke to the other Palisa.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I'm gonna be doing question 30.
30. Let's do 30.
So in the brackets, you'd say 3 plus 8, which equals to 11. So it'll be 11 to the power of 2. And then under the square root, it's 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. So it's square root of 16. Then 11 to the power of 2 is 121. And 16 to the square root of 16 is equal to 4. So it's 121 plus 4, which is equal to 125.
Thank you very much. Thank you. This is the same as 23. I was thinking, didn't I already do this? Thank you very much, guys. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one left, and it is 26, and Takawira asked to do it. And so did Nokolo. Have I heard Nokolo's name voice today? Nokolo? Sorry, Takawira. I'm really sorry. Nokolo?
Hello, ma'am.
There we go.
Ma'am, question 26 is you're gonna say in brackets 14 minus 8 because 2 to the power of 2 cubed is 8. Plus and then ma'am, you're gonna say square root of 81, it's gonna be 9.
Okay.
And then you're gonna say 6 plus 9,
which is
15, ma'am.
Boo, 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 boo. Guys, we're done with our sums. Right on time for our lesson to be over. I don't know why I scrolled up. If you want a screenshot, I will zoom out just now. Thank you guys for being superstars. Please go do the quiz. Where's 20?